Hi, I'm Jared, your Sunny Health and Fitness trainer. Today, I'm going to guide you through our Sunny 45-degree angle Roman chair. My goal is to show you all the features, benefits, and how to use it properly so you can strengthen your lower back, your glutes, hamstrings, core, all from the comfort of your home gym. This machine is specifically designed to help you build a stronger posterior chain, which includes your lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and core. It's a great tool for improving posture, increasing core stability, and developing overall strength. Perfect for beginners and seasoned lifters. The 45-degree angle is great as it allows for a good range of motion, but we do encourage you to not hyperextend your back. Your vertebrae are designed to help you bend forward and side to side with ease. However, the backward extension motion of the spine should always be very minimal and done with ultimate care and control. Before we jump into the exercises, let's take a quick look at what makes this machine such a smart addition to your home gym. As I shared, the targeted 45-degree angle is perfect for isolating and strengthening key muscle groups in your posterior chain. Adjustable thigh support lets you customize the fit based on your height and your body type. A heavy-duty steel frame ensures stability and long-lasting durability. Its compact, foldable design easily fits in small spaces and stores away quickly when not in use. High-density foam rollers and padded hip support give you comfort while maintaining proper form. Non-slip foot plates and floor levelers. They help keep the machine grounded and you safe. Here's a bonus. You can also use the handles in the front for push-ups, making this machine even more versatile. Let's jump into back extensions. Adjust the thigh pads to your height by loosening this knob on the side. Then twist and pull the one on the inside, moving, lifting, or lowering the bar to the correct height, and then tighten it all back up. Step onto the non-slip foot plates, secure your ankles, and rest your hips comfortably on the pad. Your pelvis should be supported, not your stomach. If you misjudged your position, just get off, reset, so you can work out with really good form. Cross your arms over your chest or place your hands behind your head and slowly lower your torso down, keeping your core tight. Then what you would do is raise back up into a controlled motion. This will target your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Add a dumbbell or a plate for increased difficulty. Now, let's get into push-ups. Simply stand in front of the machine and place your hands on the front of the handbar. Step your feet back into a push-up position. It's a great incline angle for beginners and a great burnout finisher for advanced users. Keep your core engaged. Lower yourself in a controlled motion and press yourself back up. This targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, all while engaging your core. You can also work the oblique muscles at the side of the body by lowering onto the pad like this. Getting into a staggered stance position supported by the bench. Now, gently lowering down and lifting back up. When you're done, the machine folds down easily. Just fold the frame and roll it away into a corner of the closet. Now, just fold the frame and move it as needed. This Roman chair is a powerful tool for home strength training. Whether you're building your posterior chain, improving posture, or adding incline push-ups into your upper body routine, this machine, it does it all.